Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable ADP for HR onboarding and compliance, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your ADP account using your credentials. Navigate to the HR section on the home page. Look for the Onboarding tab within the HR menu. Click on the Onboarding tab to access the onboarding features. Next, select Enable Onboarding from the options provided. You will be prompted to review the onboarding settings. Ensure that you understand the compliance requirements associated with onboarding. If everything looks good, click on Activate Onboarding. Once activated, set up the various employee documents needed for onboarding. Upload necessary forms such as W-4 and I-9 directly into the system. Configure the onboarding workflow according to your organization's needs. Decide which forms are mandatory and which are optional for new hires. Next, customize the welcome message that new employees will receive. This message should outline the next steps in the onboarding process. After that, set deadlines for document submissions to keep the process on track. Review your settings one last time to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, save all changes to finalize the onboarding setup. You can now add new hires to the onboarding system. Input the required information for each new employee as needed. Notify new hires about their onboarding portal access. Encourage them to complete their documentation promptly. Track compliance and onboarding progress through the dashboard. Address any issues or questions that arise during the process. Regularly review onboarding metrics to improve the overall experience. This will help ensure both compliance and satisfaction for new hires. You have now successfully enabled ADP for HR onboarding and compliance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.